Hi guys, this is B-Tech. In this jQuery tutorial we are going to be looking at type selector. So let's make sure we've got our scripts included on our page and let's begin. So I'm just going to create two input tags, one with a type of text and one with a type of button. I'm going to wrap these in paragraph tags so they're a little spaced out from each other. Just put input type equals text. Now I'm not going to add any special attributes list such as ID, class, name, etc. I'm going to be using the type selector, so I won't need to add any of those attributes to it. I'm not going to put a value attribute in because I'm just going to leave the value blank. And for the button, this a value of button and the p tag there. And now I've saved it. So in our JS library, let's wait for the document to be ready. And once we've done that, let's wait for let's select the input type of text and give it a border of 2px solid red. So let's put input and then two squares. Inside the squares, let's put input type equals text. Now if you're using speech marks or some of these, then whichever one you use here, you've got to use the other one there. Otherwise, if I use this, it will just put that as a string and this is no longer a string, so you've got to keep that like that. So input type equals text, end the squares, and then like that, end the normal brackets, and I'm just going to put top CSS. I'm going to apply a short CSS rule to here, so I'm going to put border I'm going to put 2px solid red. So now we've done that, I save that, and I'll go into my index, I'll run it, and as you can see it's chosen. I'll get the code up at the same time. So it's highlighted input tag, so it would have highlighted this one as well, and then it's chosen the type of text. This is the only one that's got a type of text and that hasn't, so that one would have been excluded, and then it's applied the CSS rule. So now let's go back to our text editor. Let's apply a rule for the type of button, so $, input square bracket type equals button, and I'm going to wait for a dot click event. So let's do dot click, and I'm going to alert out a message. You have clicked. So now let's go and refresh the page, and it's told me I've clicked, but when I click this one nothing happens, and as you can see this has not got border color of red. But what if I just take that out and that out, I just put this on the end of that, then we have selected all input tags, and we've applied the CS rule, and we've also applied the click event. So let's go back, refresh it. They've both got red borders. If I click that, it's told me you have clicked, and if I click that, you have clicked. So the type, if I go back, so the type selector is very useful if you don't want to, if you've already used an ID and you've already used a class and you don't want the whole class to get selected, etc. Thank you very much, B-Tech.